Here's some pretty neat items. Hitchcock's New and Complete Annals of the Holy Bible. And then another Holy Bible, Brown's Notes. A little Latin there, which I can't read. Helpful stuff there. 1869. I guess you can tell I'm outside. Some really neat engravings. Pretty neat stuff there. And we got this old Bible with an envelope in it from 1970. Check that out. The 10 Commandments. $1878. Pretty darn interesting. A woodchuck. I think that's an elderberry bush. My grandma used to make elderberry pies. Check out those clouds through the dirty windshield. A lovely view of the Genesee River. If I remember right, this road here does a big circle around the hills. And I think there's an old tunnel up this way. I'm gonna go check it out. tons. I think we'll be okay. I love places like this. Surely do. No other traffic. And there's a lot of times old houses back in here. Old houses. There's the turkey. Check this out, little man. Here's the tunnel. Here's that tunnel I was telling you about. There's an old railroad up above us. Somebody loves Kaylee. Firewood. Want to get out and walk around in it, bud?
Yeah.
Alright. He's up there doing a little reading. We better be careful. He might get an education he ain't ready for yet. There's the railroad bed up there. What's that, bud? Well, we better keep walking then. Kind of wish I had a can of paint. I'd paint I Love Mrshevyshevy. Kind of hard to see right there, but I think that says 1908. So that tunnel's been here a bit. There sure ain't nothing happening around here now. There's some railroad tracks. That little sign says batteries produce explosive gases. I wonder if that's a battery to operate these. I don't know. We're pretty good ways from anywheres out here. That's what's left of an old water tower or water tank, I believe. And they used to have steam engines. I hear a train coming, bud. Let's go around and see if we can catch it. I think we're gonna catch it. We didn't get to see the engine, but oh, it is pretty cool, ain't it? I guess this is all our stuff coming in from China. Those ones are empty. That sign says seasonal limited use highway. No maintenance November 1st to the spring, I guess. Let's see where it takes us. By the looks of things, there ain't much maintenance in the summer months either. Alright, ready for a little bit of fun?
Yeah.
Better turn on our wipers.
Dad, it came in the inside.
So it did.
You can roll up one window.
Oh, it says stop. Barrier ahead. I think that's because the river has encroached on where the road was.
Well, can't we go check?
Oh yeah, we can see the problem here. Sorry, Chevaholic. We'd run into a problem here if we kept driving, wouldn't we, bud?
Yep. Quite a bit of a problem.
And that's what rivers do. Be careful you don't fall off there. In fact, don't get too close.
What?
In fact, don't get too close.
Yeah, because it seems to break.
Yeah, that's what it's doing. It's breaking and falling off in the river.
It looks like
If I'm not mistaken, there's
looks like there was a
houses
road
or
there.
something back there. I might be mistaken.
It looks like there's a road here, but broke.
There was a road. Now the road has disappeared. All right, go.
I do stuff like this all the time.
Do you now?
Yep.
I thought you were going to climb over it.
Well, I'm not really good at climbing.
Oh, okay. Well, while you're doing that, I'm going to get a blackberry. Mmm. Tasty.
I'm gonna go through.
I ain't sure what kind of trees those are. Some kind of
I don't really climb them.
nut. There's a whole grove of them here. Maybe walnut. I ain't sure. Guess I better find some nuts. There's the nuts. I ain't sure what kind of butternut, maybe? I don't know. But there sure is a bunch of them here. Oh, we're at a crossroads. Maybe Bruce can tell me what that means. Heidenreich, I guess. This dirt road here is graded as smooth as asphalt. Smoother, I think. Running about 50 miles an hour. Got a little dust plume behind us. But it's pretty nice. Alright, bud, which way? Straight up the hill or take a right?
Let's see.
Which way?
Take a right.